Got an Old Navy gift card burning a hole in your pocket? Let's turn that plastic into a fresh new wardrobe. First things first, head over to the Old Navy website and start filling your cart with all those must-have items. Once you've selected everything you love, click on that Checkout button to proceed. Now for the magic part. Look for the section that says Gift Card or Merchandise Credit, or sometimes it's labeled Apply Rewards and Discounts. Here's where you'll enter your Old Navy gift card number. You can find this number on the back of your physical gift card, or in the email if it was a digital one. Carefully type in the full gift card number, followed by the PIN, which is also typically found on the back of the card, often under a scratch-off area. After entering your gift card details, hit the Apply button. You'll see the gift card's value automatically deducted from your order total, lightening the load on your wallet. Want to save even more? Most Old Navy gift cards can be combined with other promotional codes. Look for a separate field labeled Promo Code or Coupon Code. Enter any valid Old Navy promo codes you have, and apply them to this one-to punch of gift card value and coupon savings is the ultimate way to score a deal. Review your order summary one last time to make sure everything looks correct, and then you're ready to finalize your purchase. And just like that, you've successfully used your Old Navy gift card and unlocked maximum savings. Happy shopping!